whiskey, it'll get into your bloodstream, and it'll make you miss me like you never have before. And these cold nights will bring my name to your mind and make you wonder why I don't call you anymore. Well, it's been years since...
Hey, this is Derek. Welcome to the hill. Today we're going to buck a rather large tree that I knocked over. Buck as in cut it up and get it out of the trail. I need the big chainsaw today. I'm running the Steel MS 880. I'm going to put my chaps on, wear my helmet today and gloves. Try to be a little bit safer. It's a pretty foggy morning out this morning, and the temperature's starting to drop quite a bit. So I think it's 40, 48, 52 degrees out this morning. A lot of fog, as you could tell on the way down here. And but overall, great weather, and I'm looking forward to getting down there and working on the next section of the trail. So this will pick up exactly where the last video ended after knocking down that big tree, and we'll work on down the slope. So we've ran into a little bit of trouble with this tree stump. It's a little bit bigger than what the Kubota wants to push over by itself, so I'm having to start digging out over top of it. I have to keep digging around the base of it to be able to get the backhoe in so I can push it more. I'm dealing with just a huge pile of dirt that I have here, right here, and that log over there. I got to get cleared out, but I don't, it's probably 8 foot off the ground right here, this pile of dirt, and that tree stump's just in a precarious place and kind of hard for me to get any leverage on it. The goal is tomorrow to dig down around it some more, get this pile right here cleared out and kind of graded down so we can get a little bit more traction behind this and hopefully get it rolled off down the path here and over down there somewhere. We'll see if we can get that stump moved.
Fear is like a broken record, same old songs of accusation play. Like who are you to speak the truth? Just look at all your failures and mistakes. And if they really knew you, there's no way they could love you anyway. Oh, but I will fight the lies with the truth. Oh, keep my eyes fixed on you. I will sing the truth into the dark. I will use my fighting words for hoping that something in your heart could ever change. Oh, oh, so I will fight the lies with the truth. Oh, keep my eyes fixed on you. I will sing the truth into the dark. I will use my fighting words. Oh, fighting words. Whoa, my debt is paid. Oh, I've been set free, and you gave your life up to rescue me. You say that I am worth fighting for, and grace is like waves that keep crashing on the shore. Fight the lies with the truth. Whoa, keep my eyes fixed on you. I will sing the truth into the dark. I will use my fighting words. Oh, fighting words. Oh, I'm so tired of forgetting what I'm worth, so I will use my fighting words.
So we just got the stump out of the way, which is pretty exciting. And then I proceeded to wreck my drone into a tree. So that's never good. The drone got a low battery and tried to return to home and just shot straight up into a tree. So I don't know what to tell you. So the stump was right here. I got it pushed down over the hill. It's kind of a chore. Now we need to work on getting this stuff moved over there. There's another tree right there that I'm gonna need to take down. We'll just keep working down the hill. And so we got another tree in about 10 or 15 feet. I don't think that I'm gonna have to dig up around behind that. I think I can just push it over, get it out of the way.
Come banging through the kitchen, babe. Rattle all the pots and pans. Girl, you're my favorite distraction from the wars in every land. Come crashing to my window pane. Come starting me in my cage. Oh, sparrow freedom, wake me from slumber. Remind me to turn the page. Oh, why?
When the world is unsteady, the ground beneath me shaking, I keep asking people questions, but nobody seems to know. Well, I can move steady when the wind blows. The rhythm's strong inside me. Hold myself tightly when the heat goes. Raise the blinds covering the window.